Now, if you're trying to lose weight, but food feels mentally exhausting, this video is for you. Because here's what no one tells you. It is not that you don't know what to eat. It's that your brain is tired of deciding every day. Is this okay? Did I mess up? Should I be doing low carb again? Was yesterday a bad day? And after a while, you stop trusting yourself. Why? Well, it's because there is conflicting advice everywhere about what to eat. One expert is going to tell you to cut carbs, another one's going to tell you to eat more carbs. Some say fat's bad, and other people are telling you fat is the answer. And eventually, your brain is just going to kind of mentally shut down. Now, if we haven't met yet, I'm Dr. Anna, your Med Diet Doc, and today I want to explain why weight loss starts to feel so heavy after 50. We're going to cover what actually helps. Now, what I see all the time in my clinical practice is that what breaks people isn't really motivation. It's this decision fatigue. And so what are we talking about? Now, think about it this way. Food is living in our heads all day long. And if that's the case, maybe you're trying to skip some meals because you're not even sure what you should be eating, or you're not sure if you can even have anything around you. And then what's going to happen? If you're skipping meals, you might be eating in bursts when you're super tired, super stressed, or just ravenous. And then what happens after that? Well, maybe the next day you're going to try to fix it. And when food takes up this much mental space and you're constantly on this hamster wheel of trying to do things right, feeling like you're making mistakes, playing catch up, fixing things later, well, two things can happen. So first, you risk just eating less than your body actually needs, or what we call undereating. And then because of that, you might risk later eventually overeating. Usually this happens at the least ideal times. At nighttime, when we're super stressed out, when we're super tired, or when we're feeling a lot of emotions. Now that cycle doesn't just come from a lack of effort, as you can see. It comes from not having a great structure that you can rely on in the first place. This is where the Mediterranean cultures have something to actually teach us. Now, how do I even know about Mediterranean cultures? Well, I happened to study medicine in Italy. And when I lived there for several years in the Mediterranean region, I noticed that people were not asking, am I allowed to eat this? Instead, they were asking, does this seem like a complete meal? Or is this meal everything that I need to be eating? So this shift alone is what can change everything for you. Because instead of rules and tracking and more restriction, I noticed that people there were using a lot of structure to think about their eating. Meals are not necessarily these like daily decisions. Instead, they're kind of systems that they build in. Now, different cultures in the Mediterranean have slightly different ways of approaching this. When I was in Italy, for example, the system that people typically use for a lunch or a dinner is to have a first and then a second course. And there are certain foods that are more typical in a first course, things like a rice or risotto, a pasta, a salad, a soup, and then things that are typical for a second course. Maybe it's your meat or your fish, something with vegetables. Maybe it's having something baked, like a baked pasta. So this shift is really where I've noticed that weight loss can just start to feel so much lighter for people. And real quick, if food is feeling overwhelming and weight loss is feeling way harder than it should, I teach this step-by-step system approach in my free Mediterranean weight loss webinar. To register, you can click the link below this video, or if you're watching this from a TV, you can actually scan your phone's camera over this QR code right here that you see on screen to sign up. This webinar is built specifically for adults over 50 who are tired of guessing and they just want a way to learn to start losing weight that's nearly effortless. Now, let me show you the shift that actually changes everything. This question, if you can apply this, will literally replace all your food stress. Instead of asking, can I eat this? Start asking yourself, what is missing from my plate? That is where what I like to call the perfect meal formula comes into play. And this is a way to organize your meals so you really charge up your weight loss engine. In other words, your metabolism. So what is the perfect meal formula? Well, it is a combination of 4 essential components to your meal. It is protein, it is healthy fat, it is fiber from healthy plant foods, things like vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, nuts and seeds, beans, any of those, and natural flavors, things like herbs and spices. That's it. You don't have to necessarily do all this calorie counting and food math and tracking apps and point systems or traffic light systems the way some tracker apps use. Instead, what matters is getting the essential nutrition for weight loss. So let's break these down. Protein. Protein is essential to help keep us full. It absolutely is essential to preserve our muscle mass and our metabolism, and it'll absolutely stabilize your appetite. Plus, it's really crucial for charging up our fat burning system, which is the health and the strength of our muscles, which are the organs that are actually doing a lot of this metabolic function. Now, that's a very fancy way of saying the fat burning function if we're thinking about it for weight loss. What's the second component? Well, it's the healthy fats. Healthy fats are so important for so many things. They are essential nutrients for our body, so our body can produce lots of important molecules like hormones and signalers. Practically speaking, fat helps slow down our digestion. Yeah, it's going to help prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes, which will in turn improve your satisfaction, reduce your cravings, and help keep you full longer. Plus, fat is usually the type of molecule that provides so much flavor. So yeah, your meal is going to taste better when you incorporate some fats, especially healthy fats. Then we have the fiber. Now, fiber feeds our gut health. You may have heard something about all the bacteria that lives inside of our gut or in that tube going from mouth to the other end. Well, this is really important for our metabolism too. Plus, fiber will stabilize our blood sugar. It helps us stop snacking so much because it keeps us so full. So it has numerous health benefits, and there are so many kinds of foods that you can eat to get good fiber. Now, the last component of the perfect meal formula, and this is the part that most diets ignore, because if food is not enjoyable, you're really not going to stick with it, and that is to get really good quality flavor into your meals. Mediterranean eating really is not about removing pleasure. It's actually the opposite. It's about building it in. That is happening because of all the natural flavors that come in a lot of Mediterranean cuisines. Any herbs and any spices you can think of. They take dishes from bland to popping with so many layers of flavor in your mouth without even adding any calories. I mean, that's the craziest part of this. Typically, where I live in the United States, we add flavor by adding lots of sugar and salt and some unhealthy oils into our food. But the cool thing about herbs and spices is it's adding tons of flavor. It's making your dish taste amazing. It adds some healthy components like what we call antioxidants or anti-inflammatory things, but it's doing it without adding a single calorie. It's like lowering inflammation and giving us supercharged weight loss at the same time. Now, here's this mental shift that really can change everything for you. When you start using the perfect meal formula to plan your meals or snacks, instead of just obsessing over individual foods, everything starts to fit together. And then you have way less you have to think about. And that is why this is so powerful. So in other words, you're just going to start to mentally feel way more fulfilled and satisfied just from the way you start thinking about your meal. And when your meals are balanced like this, well, I'll tell you something crazy. Weight loss starts happening as this like automatic side effect. It is not something you have to chase because, and this is key to understand, all of these components of the perfect meal formula, they hit on the essential nutrients your body needs desperately to really rev up your fat burning ability. So you're really not just tricking your brain or your body. That is not what we're doing. This is not a diet. You're actually supporting your brain and your body to do weight loss naturally. This is exactly what I walk through in my free Mediterranean weight loss webinar. It's how to turn these meals into a structure that supports weight loss instead of fighting against it. Don't forget, I have a link below this video for how you can register for your spot. And if you are watching this on the TV, don't forget you can also scan the QR code up here on the screen just by opening your phone's camera and hovering right over that code. Now, there's one more thing that you really need to hear, and this is why this matters even more after 50. As we get older, our body starts to respond a little differently to all the signals and the chaos and the noise. Our hunger signals will start to shift, our recovery ability starts to slow down, and our blood sugar may become a little bit more sensitive, which means our muscle matters even more. And the cool thing is that balanced nutrition and balanced meals that follow the perfect meal formula, are going to protect all of that. But the other side is that extreme dieting and a lot of restriction can make all of this actually worse. This is why so many people in my online community, the Healthy After 50 Academy, seem to lose weight without feeling deprived, and they're able to keep it off. It's not because they're trying harder. They are not some group of people that are more gifted. They stop fighting their body. It is that simple. So inside my online academy, I am seeing crazy results from people. People are losing 30, 50, even 100 plus pounds using these healthy Mediterranean approaches. I see folks lowering their blood pressure. Sometimes they're getting off their meds. I see folks improve their lab numbers. They're reducing inflammation. Some people are having fewer cravings. Some people are feeling steady energy again, and they're telling me that all this food noise is going away. And they're doing all of this by just learning a few simple tactics that I like to teach in this community. These are not my clinical patients. These are just folks online who have come to learn. This is not because they're following a perfect diet, but it is because food has stopped running their lives. And don't forget, you can learn all of this inside my free Mediterranean weight loss webinar if you register below. So now we actually have to address something important, because what trips people up next is always this question. They say, okay, Dr. Anna, but how do I actually know how to start applying this formula, the perfect meal formula? What am I supposed to make my meals? What do these meals even look like? How do I really eat Mediterranean in a way that's not expensive or complicated? Because I heard that it's all these crazy things. Well, I have a ton more videos on this channel where I walk you through exactly how to start eating Mediterranean in a very simple, sustainable, and even a cheap way. Jump into this video and I'll see you over there.